Sometimes, even though you know something's coming, you get caught completely off guard. That's where we're at today. I knew there was a snowstorm coming at least a day or two ago, but now we're scrambling to get everything in. We're supposed to get maybe a foot of snow. We gotta get everything outside cleaned up, and we gotta do it in like the next 2 hours. And we're living in a construction zone right now, so to say things are the mess around here, I would say is an understatement, inside and outside of the house. So we've got to go right now and get a bunch of stuff done. We've got to get water brought over here. We've got to get stuff picked up. We've got to get wood moved. So we're gonna go do that right now. I need two things. One, I need a hat. Sarah took the truck. And two, I need to saw up a bunch of this scrap wood out here to get rid of it before we get it covered in snow. I need to bring my saw horses inside and all that stuff before the snow falls. Okay, I'm gonna get on that. Hey buddy. You might be asking yourself, why am I cutting up a perfectly good piece of OSB? Well, it's not perfectly good. Wow, this is what happens when I don't comb my hair. My hair is crazy right now. I have crazy hair. I'm a crazy haired person. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to this. These things are handy. The DeWalt's 60 volt max. They're cool, but the batteries die. I gotta get a new battery. Oh, by the way, DeWalt, if you're listening, I mean, I'm sure you are listening. Why wouldn't you listen to this hair? Look at that hair, this is crazy. I haven't had this long a hair in a while. Sarah says I have to grow it out to see if I like it when it's long. I always cut it before it gets this long because it starts really bothering me. Anyway, I have crazy hair. Yeah. So what was I saying? I was saying, oh yeah, DeWalt. If you want to send me the Wrangler Star package for free, of course, I will also make a review video of the $3,000 worth of stuff you send me. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work now and stop talking. This is what happens when your son is charged with plugging in the battery and charging it. Okay, I've got to get a different circular saw.
I know I didn't charge the battery because I couldn't find the one that charges the 60 volt.
She says
another tank of water.
She says I took her cord. Look at my crazy hair, Sarah.
Yep.
Just remember, you can put an end to this anytime you want. You just say,
It's not my hair.
you just literally say, Ethan, shave that off, and it's gone. I mean,
Not my hair, not my
I got a nice little hair trimmer that just would take this off so quick.
You are welcome to do whatever you want with your
It's
own.
not true. She's totally lying to you. The only reason I'm keeping it is because of her.
You wanted Jason Momoa hair.
She wants Jason Momoa hair. It's the truth.
Can I have my cord, please?
Your cord? Yes, take your cord. Alright, she's got to take her cord. I got that one part done, so I'm going to get that stuff hauled out of the way, and she's going to take the cord and go do stuff. You're either gonna see her in the next shot or you're gonna see me in the next shot, and you won't know until right now.
All done.
These gloves were given to me by a fella named Tim. Tim, you are a bigger man than I. Literally, like, Tim's really tall. I'm not short, but he's like 6'8" tall. Okay, enough with the bad jokes. I need to finish that. And honestly, that circular saw took a really long time. We're stepping up to the big boy tools. Could you tell that my saw is extremely dull? That's okay though, because then I can saw things on the ground without it bothering me that I'm ruining a good chain. We are done with that little pile. So now Lawrence is getting firewood stacked up, and we'll see if we get this done. I don't know, it's pretty tough. Sarah's done the water, but it's just been me and Lawrence. The two youngest girls are having a lazy bone right now. So I don't know if we're gonna get all this done, but we're gonna try our darndest. Hopefully Sarah can help now that she's done with the water. All right, I'm gonna get back to work.
Are you filming now?
You?
No, me. Cool. Look at how much this wagon can carry, Dad.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty nice,
every
huh?
single small piece in this pile now.
And you can move it around, huh?
Oh yeah.
Well, maybe we'll have to get one, huh? Cool.
One-handed too. I mean, my right hand, but still.
Riding on the bike, Aggie. Is that cool? Cool.
It's broken now.
All right. Voila. You too can have this bike for the low price of $4,000 if you want it right now. Seriously though, we are trying to sell it, so if you know anybody who wants a bike, it's a great bike. We gotta put it away for the winter. We don't have a garage anymore, not really. So we are putting it in our container that we can lock up with 40 locks, kind of like my hair. All right, let's get the door open, Sarah. I'm holding the bike. The question is, are we going to break the 1x12 or not? We'll find out.
You're gonna break it.
Kickstands probably put in. And then you're gonna help me push. You're good.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh, that went a lot easier than I thought it would. That's nice. It's nice when something goes better than you were thinking. All right, back to work. Some of our siding for the one side of the house is sitting outside.
Crap.
Bump ching. So we gotta get that in or we're gonna lose it in the snow. I showed you the one side of the house in our last episode, which is the front of the house, which looks really great. I'm really happy with how that turned out. One of the other sides of the house is 90 8% done. There's just some trim stuff around the door that needs to be done, and then the soffits, of course, pretty much everywhere need to be done. But this side of the house, we ran out of oak, and it was taking us way longer to do than we had planned. So a while ago I bought metal siding. So we're gonna do this side of the house here, right there. We're gonna do that with metal siding. So we custom ordered some a while ago, and we've had it sitting here. We've had other more important things than getting that last little bit of siding, because this can be done in the middle of the winter theoretically. The metal siding, it doesn't have to be warm outside to do. So we've been trying to take care of other things like insulation and things like that we really have to do before it gets freezing cold. When we got it delivered, the siding's sitting out here. We need to take it out of its packaging and get it in the garage, or we're not gonna find it under a foot of snow. So we're gonna go do that right now, and we're gonna get it in the little carport. It's not really a garage, it's kind of open on both sides, so it's not good for storing like my dirt bike and my motorcycle, but it'll be just fine for a lot of other things. We're gonna put firewood in there this winter, primarily. So anyway, we're gonna get that stuff in there right now. All right, it's probably gonna stop recording soon. I'm like a cross between Santa Claus and Jason Momoa. Look at that. Yeah, I just said that. Anyway, let's move on. We are going to have a thank you episode coming out soon. What, baby? I have a baby. Oh, okay. Yeah. You look at the camera. Did your hat fall off you? It's actually my hat you had on, huh? You have my hat on. Yeah, hat. If you made it this far, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. If you are a subscriber, be sure to click on the notification bell if you haven't already, because you will get a message sent to you every time we release a video, and then you won't miss anything. Anyway, until next time, see ya.
Bye bye. Can you wave? Wave your camera.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.